Hey guys, so today we're going to be starting another session with OneClass's online help. We're going to be doing some math problems at the high school and university level. And these problems will be around 10 questions. So hope you guys stick around and learn something along the way. Okay, so the first question that we're tackling today is as follows. The first side of a triangle is 3 meters shorter than the second side. The third side is 2 times as long as the first side. The perimeter is 27 meters. Find the length of each side by writing an equation and using algebra to solve it. So they've given us some information, and we can start off by just relating this information in terms of variables. So we can just draw a triangle, and we'll just label each side A, B, and C. And then we have the first statement. The first side of a triangle is 3 meters shorter than the second side. So we'll call A is side 1. Oh, sorry, let me put that somewhere else. So A, that's side 1. And then B, that's side 2. And then C is side 3. Okay, and the statement is saying that the first side of the triangle is 3 meters shorter than the second side. So we can write out the equation A equals B minus 3. So yeah, let's just double check that. First side of a triangle is 3 meters shorter than the second side. So B, the second side, minus 3 will be equal to A. And then the next statement says the third side is 2 times as long as the first side. So the third side, meaning C, so C is equal to 2 times as long as the first side. So we multiply 2 times A, we'll get C, so side 3. And then the final statement that it gives us is the perimeter is 27 meters. So A plus B plus C is equal to 27 meters. So now we've kind of defined 3 equations based on the given details. And knowing that we have 3 unknowns and 3 equations, we can just use algebra to solve these. So we'll start off with substituting this equation. It was supposed to be a star. So this equation and this equation, so A and C. Well, actually, that won't work out too well for us. So we know C here is defined in terms of A, and we know we can switch the first equation, so we can say B is equal to A plus 3, and now B is also in terms of A, so we can substitute B equals A plus 3 and C equals 2A into equation number 3. So we'll say A plus B, which in this scenario is A plus 3, plus C, which is just 2A, is equal to 27. Okay, and now we just add common terms here. So we'll add up all the A's. We'll have 4A on this side, plus, so we'll have this A, and this A. So that's 4A, and then just the remaining 3. And that will equal 27. We'll subtract 3 from both sides. So 4A is equal to 24. And the last step is just dividing both sides by 4. So 24 divided by 4 will give us 6. So we've solved that. I'll write this up here. This equals 6. We'll make some space for us to solve for the rest. So knowing that a is equal to 6, we can use the first equation and the second equation to solve for b. Sorry, we can use this equation over here to solve for b. So b is equal to a, which is 6, and then plus 3. And this will give us 9. So we know here b is equal to 9. And then lastly, we know c is equal to 2 times a. So 2 times 6. And this will give us 12. So we know the last side is equal to 12. So find length of each side by writing an equation and using algebra to solve it. So we've done that. We've figured out for each side of the triangle what each side, how long is each side. So the solution here says go through attached file. So it doesn't really show anything. So no solution present. Correct answer is A equals 6, B equals 9, and C equals 12. Okay, we'll say solution is incorrect.